Namaste Vidya, खुश रहो बिटिया. Myself JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynaeops, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today my topic is common disorder of puberty. Common disorder of puberty: precocious puberty, delayed puberty, menstrual abnormalities like amenorrhea, menorrhagia, dysmenorrhea, and others like infection, neoplasm, hirsutism, etc. Precocious puberty. Precocious puberty definition: the term precocious puberty is reserved for girls who exhibit any secondary sex characteristic before the age of 8 or menstruate before the age of 10. Precocious puberty may be isosexual, where the features are due to excess production of estrogen. It may be heterosexual, where features are due to excess production of androgen from ovarian or adrenal neoplasm. Etiopathology. Constitutional. It is due to premature activation of hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis. There is secretion of gonadotropins and gonadal steroid due to premature release of GnRH. Bone maturation is accelerated, leading to premature closure of the epiphysis and curtailed stature. If menstruation occurs, they may be ovulatory. The changes in puberty progress in an orderly sequence. Intracranial lesions like meningitis, encephalitis, craniopharyngioma, neurofibroma, or any tumor, hypothalamic or pineal gland McCune-Albright syndrome is characterized by sexual precocity, multiple cyst, cystic bone lesion, polycystic fibrous dysplasia, endocrinopathies, and capsulate spot on the skin. Sexual precocity is due to early and excessive estrogen production from the ovaries. FSH, IH level are low. There may be associated hyperthyroidism, hyperparathyroidism, and acromegaly. External types of types or causes: GnRH dependent, 80% complete, central, isosexual or true, constitutional most common, juvenile primary hypothyroidism, intracranial lesion like trauma, tumor or infection, and second types incomplete, premature thalaric, premature puberec, premature menarche. Type and cause: GnRH independent, the precocious pseudo-puberty or peripheral, excess estrogen or androgen. Ovarian types: ovaries. In ovaries, granulosa cell tumor, theca cell tumor, leading cell tumor, chorionic epithelioma, androblastoma, McCune-Albright syndrome. And adrenal type: hyperplasia or tumor, liver type, hepatoblastoma, and heterogenic estrogen or androgen intake. There are type and causes. Premature thalaric. Premature thalaric. It is the isolated development of breast tissue before the age of 8 and commonly between 2 and 4 years of age. Either one or both the breasts may be enlarged. There is no other feature of precocious puberty. It generally requires no treatment. Premature puberty. Premature puberty. It is isolated development of axillary and or pubic hair prior to the age of 8 without other sign of precocious puberty. The premature hair growth may be due to unusual sensitivity of endo, androgen to the usual low level of hormones in the blood during childhood. Rarely, there may be sign of excess androgen production due to adrenal hyperplasia or tumor or androgenic ovarian tumor, leading cell tumor, androblastoma, etc. Premature menarche. Premature menarche is an isolated event of cyclic vaginal bleeding without any other sign of secondary sexual development. The cause remains unclear but may be related to the unusual endocrine sensitivity of the endometrium to the low level of estrogen. Chorionic epithelioma, hepatoblastoma are the ectopic source of human chorionic gonadotropin and may cause sexual precocity. Diagnosis of true precocious constitutional type is the commonest one, but the rare one is to be kept in mind. The diagnosis is made by history of early menarche of mother and sister. The pubertal changes occur in orderly sequence. Turner stages, no cause could be detected. The basic investigation to confirm or to exclude some pathogenic lesions like X-ray, hand and wrist forebone. Acceleration of growth is one of the earliest clinical features of precocious puberty. Diagnosis of true precocious, the pelvic sonography to exclude ovarian pathology, skull X-ray, CT scan or MRI brain to exclude intracranial lesion, serum SCG, FS, FSHIH, thyroid profile, TSH, T4, serum estradiol, testosterone, 17-OH, progesterone, dihydro, epiandrosterone, DHEA, electroencephalogram, premature thelarchy, somatic growth pattern is not accelerated, bone age is not advanced, nipple development is absent, vaginal smear show negative estrogen effect. Premature puberc. It may be due to adrenal or ovarian mischief. As such, the investigation directed accordingly. An ovarian enlargement may not be palpable clinically. Examination under anesthesia or sonography is helpful. IVP or CT scan is required to detect adrenal tumor. And estimations of serum 17 alpha hydroxyprogesterone DHEAS and serum testosterone are to be done in suspected cases of adrenal mischief, hyperplasia or tumor. If nothing abnormal is detected, then the diagnosis of idiopathic puberty is made. Premature menarche. The other cause of vaginal bleeding, such as foreign body or injury, has to be excluded. If the bleeding is cyclic, the diagnosis is confirmed and remarked investigations must be carried out to rule out any pathology in the CNS, ovary and adrenal. It should be Borne in mind that even in cases when no cause can be detected in any of the types mentioned, the periodic evaluation at 6 monthly intervals is to be made to detect any life-threatening pathology at the earliest. Treatment. The treatment depends upon the cause. The exogenous estrogen therapy or its in adjutant intake should be stopped forthwith. Cortisone therapy for adrenal hyperplasia and surgery to remove the adrenal or ovarian tumor eliminate the excess source of either androgen or estrogen. The intracranial tumor require neurosurgery or radiotherapy. Primary hypothyroidism need thyroid replacement therapy. Second is the delayed puberty. Puberty is said to be delayed when the breast tissue and or pubic hair have not appeared by 13 to 14 years or menarche appeared as late as 16 years. The normal upper age limit of menarche is 15 years. Cause of delayed puberty. First is hypergonadotrophic hypogonadism, that is 45XO, pure gonadal dysgenesis 46XS, 46XY, ovarian failure 46XS, hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, constitutional delay, chronic illness, malnutrition, primary hypothyroidism, isolated gonadotrophin deficiency, and intracranial lesion, tumors, craniopharyngioma, pituitary adenomas, eugonidism, anatomical cause, Mullerian agenesis, imperforate hymen, transverse vaginal septum, androgen insensitivity syndrome. Treatment. Treatment is directed according to the etiology. Assurance, improvement of general health and treatment of any illness may be of help is non-endocrinal cause. Cases with hypogonadism may be treated with cyclic estrogen. Puberty menorrhagia. Puberty menorrhagia is the most common disorder of puberty. Menstrual abnormality in adolescents are common and period may be heavy, irregular or scanty initially. Eventually, the majority of these teenage girls establish a normal cycle and are fertile. The important cause of menorrhagia are dysfunction uterine bleeding 95%, an ovulatory cycle, unopposed estrogen, endometrial hyperplasia, and prolonged and heavy period. The endocrine dysfunction, polycystic ovarian syndrome, hypo or hyperthyroidism, hematological, idiopathic thrombocytopenia purpura, and von Willebrand's disease, leukemia, pelvic tumor like fibroid uterus, sarcoma, botryoids, estrogen producing ovarian tumor, pregnancy complications like abortion. Diagnosis made by carefully history taking and through clinical examination. Evaluation is specially indicated if the menstrual interval is more than 22 days or less than 22 days or more than 44 days, last longer than 1 week, or the bleeding is too heavy that anemia develops. Investigations are planned according to the clinical diagnosis. Investigation include routine hematological examination include bleeding time, clotting time, platelet count, thyroid profile like TSH, T3, T4. Imagine study of the pelvis by USG may be needed. EUA and uterine curettage are rarely needed to exclude any pelvic pathology. Pregnancy complications. The curette material is seen for histological study. Management, the girl need adequate explanation, reassurance and psychological support, rest and correction of anemia and helpful in majority of cases. Therapy with hematinics or even blood transfusion may be needed. In refractory cases, progesterone such as medroxyprogesterone acetate or northistrone 5 mg thrice daily is given till bleeding stop. Usually the bleeding is controlled within 3 to 7 days. Medication is continued for 21 days. The condition usually become normal following 2 to 3 course and then normal cycle resume. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.